Have you ever been up, ever been down, ever been lost, then came around, ever been through it, then came out of it, never had it, then got a lot of it. Ever been up, ever been down, ever been lost, then came around, ever been through it, then came out of it, never had it, then got a lot of it.
Ease on them, squeeze on them, breeze on them, leave the trees on them. Breeze on them, leave the trees on them, and the bandana make them think it's gang related. We on that gritty, shitty city shit in New York, New York. You come through on some pretty shit, get outlined and talk. I get busy, I'm strapped now. I'm trying to say I want you motherfuckers to act out. I had that ass sprint towards the door when I back out. Don't do it, don't you do it, don't you do it. Down, 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 make me step to you. Holy moly, the roly, icy oyster perpetual. Diamonds blinking like haze, just take a look at it. I'm a regular bad man, they say I'm a madman. Fuck a mask and gloves, I let it off bare hands. We come from a war zone, them Southside streets, where anything and everything get done to eat.
Have you ever been up, ever been down, ever been lost, then came around, never been through it, then came out of it, never had it, then got a lot of it. Ever been up, ever been down, ever been lost, then came around, never been through it, then came out of it, never had it, then got a lot of it.
You ain't no killer, you a pussy. He done got you all emotional and mushy. Bitches wearing rags and photos, Jai's words being quoted in the source, stealing pop shit like he just wrote it. You live rounds, pray to God, hoping no one's listening. C50 coming for me. Oh my God, my position. No DJ Messiah, got it. Here I go, give me this pill. He done got me feeling so invincible. Now all of a sudden I'm a fucking madman. Screams like I'm Pac, but I'm not. Enemies in the sea, acting like I'm great, but I'm fake. I'm crazy. Sweat, twit, get me off this twit. Someone stop this brain. Some say my brain is all corrupted. Fuck from this shit. I'm stuck. I'm addicted to these. I'ma quit saying motherfuckers names before somebody fucks me up. Ain't no pussies over here, partner.
Have you ever been up, ever been down, ever been lost, then came around, never been through it, then came out of it, never had it, then got a lot of it. Ever been up, ever been down, ever been lost, then came around, never been through it, then came out of it, never had it, then got a lot of it.
You ever seen something that you wanted so bad, then got it, and wish it was something you never had? Have you ever been so lost and thought you wouldn't make it? Have you ever been forced into something and couldn't take it? Have you ever wanted to go right, but then chose left? Deep down wanted life, the ways chose left. Burning in the night, but then the day shows left. Regardless of what you think, I'm going to left. Have you ever wished upon a star that really wasn't there? Against the one your heart that really didn't care? Found out at the wrong time that life wasn't fair, and all you could do was take its place.
Have you ever been up, ever been down, ever been lost, then came around, never been through it, then came out of it, never had it, then got a lot of it. Ever been up, ever been down, ever been lost, then came around, never been through it, then came out of it, never had it, then got a lot of it.
The moment you've all been waiting for. In this corner, weighing 175 pounds, with a record of 17 rapes, 400 assaults, and 4 murders. The undisputed, most diabolical villain in the world, Slim Shady. Let's go! Back when Andre the Giant, Mr. Elephant Tusk, picture must, you'll be just another one bit of dust. Just one of my mother's sons who got thrown under the bus. Kiss my butt, lick my under cheese from under my nuts. It disgusts me to see the game the way that it looks. It's a must, I redeem my name and haters get mushed. Bitches lust, man they love me when I lay in the cut. Fist the cup, the lady give a lady some paper cut. Now picture us, it's ridiculous, she curse at the thought. Cause when I spit the verse, the shit gets worse, the worse just your sauce. If I could fit the words, this picture perfect works every time. Every verse, every line, as simple as nursery rhymes. It's elementary, the elephants have entered the room. I've been to the same with the center of attention, it's true. Not to mention back with the vengeance, so here's the signal. Up the bats and roll, the platinum trio's back on the road.
You niggas made a mistake, you should've never put my rhymes with Drake. Them thug niggas ever robbed in the judgment day. Hey homie, if you feel me, tell them tricks to shove me, that they miss, they ain't kill me. I can make a motherfucker shake, rattle and roll, I'm full of liquor, thug nigga, quick to jab at them hoes. And I can make you jealous niggas famous, fuck around with you, about to see how good a nigga's aim is. I'm just a rich motherfucker from the way, if it's like to bring me money, then I'm right to fill them paid. I'm getting green like I'm supposed to, nigga, I holla at these hoes to see how many I can go blue. Look to the star and visualize my debut. Niggas know it, flip, I gotta stay true. Don't be a dumb motherfucker.
showed it, I got it. I see the pipe and pick peppers and run right round. 50 cent, I write a little bit, but I pop nines. Tell niggas get their money right, cause I got mine. And I'm around quick playing, nigga, you can't shine. You gon' be that next chump, then end up in the trunk. After being hit by the pump, is that what you want? Be easy, nigga, I lay your ass out. Believe me, nigga, that's what I'm about. Gangsta, you can find a nigga sitting on throne. Hit the clutch, hit the gear, hit the gas, and I'm gone. If I can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Now I'ma let the champagne bottle pop, I'ma take it to the top. Show, I'ma make it hot, baby.
See that low rider go by, they like, oh my. You ain't got to tell me why you're sick, cause I know why. I did through in that 6 tray, like Sick'em Dre. I'm the niche that they can't scratch, they sick of me. But hey, what else can I say? I love LA, cause over and above all, it's just another day. And this one begins where the last one ends. Pick up where we left off and get smashed again. I'll be damned, just fucked around and crash my Benz. Driving around with a smashed front end. Let's cash that one in. Grab another one from out the stable. The Monte Carlo, El Camino, or the El Dorado. The hell if I know, do I want leather seats or vinyl? Decisions. Garage looks like precision collision. Or Mako, beats quake like Waco. Just keep the bass low, speakers away from your face though.
Good evening. This is your fucking captain speaking. We will soon be reaching an altitude of 4.5 million feet. That's 8 million miles in the sky. Please, undo your seatbelt for takeoff. You are now free to smoke about the cabin.
Love the way you activate the hips, push your ass out. Got a nigga wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it. Baby, just alleviate your clothes, time to fly about it. Catch you at the club, oh shit, you got me feeling. Body talking shit to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then this your chance. Doing 80 on the freeway, always catch me if you can. Forgive me, I'm a rider, still I'm just a simple man. All I want is money, fuck the fame, I'm a simple man. Mr. International, player with the passport. Just like a Latin bitch, is there anything you ask for? It's either him or me. Champagne, Hennessy, a favorite of my homies. Who we cross on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed. Peep with a whole knee. Puff some more weed from you don't need. How do you want it? How does it feel? Coming up as a nigga in the cash game, living in the fast lane. For real, for real, for real, for real.
Smoke signal in the sky like Verizon Wireless. A nice environment, surprise entirely. Hypnotized by the sound, I surround the hydrants. Taking lives of firemen, say goodbye, here I am again. Naked wives and bag again. Before I begin to get so high, pussy boy, I can spin. Fuck the handle, I fly out the hinge. Let that boy at the bench coach and throw it to him. There he goes in his trench coat and the floors again. Baby, make us some French toast and show us some skin. I show you every inch grows on my photo skin. Show me nipple, a pinch forth and throw up a tin. Now you know it's a sin, the tease blow us again. The sorcerer of intercourse, if it's forced, it's him. Don't fight the feeling if you're feeling the force within. When you wake up in the morning next to the porcelain. One
thing, you niggas fingerprints and respected brain. Boy, you slow motherfuckers, I'ma bring it down iller. See, Cream was a businessman and Prince was the killer. Remember, you used to push the bulletproof BM, Say, get your seasick. I sat back and peep shit. The road was easy wider then get blunted. Had the whole project working for 50 or 500. As a youth, all I ever did was self.
How do you want it? How does it feel? Coming up as a nigga in the cash game, living in the fast lane, for real.
I used to idolize Cat. Hurt me to my heart to hear that nigga snitched on Pat. How you go out like that? Rumors in the hood was just for snitching. I ain't believe that, Paul. He helped me cop my first year sex star at the Forerunner, the Z. The 5 and the 3. Used to drive his truck through the hood, dragging jet skis from General Wallace to Baby Wise. Don't be surprised at how freely I thought our names are guys who dealt with pies like LA and Wise. L got shot in the neck, then told us connect. Them niggas who shot him got him for 10 bricks. Fucking Dominicans turned around and gave him more brick. That first verse was just a dose of the shit that I'm on. Consider this the first chapter in the ghetto's Quran. I know a lot of niggas that get dough like Jimmy and Joe. And Prince and Righteous from Hillside with the mole on his nose. Throughout my struggles in the hood, I started learning. Life's a bitch with a pretty face once she burning. Man, I'ma get cheese like Chaz, then run through whips like Seagull. Gamble all the time like country curly head Prince and Top Popo under pressure too. They know what they facing. Gonna get screws like Bebo and killers like Pappy Mason. A lot of niggas I know been corrupted since birth. Tights to rob nuns for fun. Fade.
Yes, indeed. It's the Mix King, Ron G. I got something the world ain't ready for. New York City, LA, Chicago, Atlanta, DC, Detroit, New Orleans. Y'all know the damn flavor.
The motherfucking dust kicker. Who can you name is spoken on the tongues of so many foes. Busting motherfuckers out the box, I ain't even go. Now how the hell do you explain my claim to fame? From doing flicks to busting tricks out the fucking frame. Got these bitches on my job, niggas on my block. Jealous ass suckers got them ducking from my smoking Glock. And busting niggas' asses to stay alive. Skinny ass player watching bigger motherfuckers try. They ask me how I'm living. I'm a hustler, fucking busters till they die. Now it's on in the ghetto, you ain't heard. Niggas got their AKs heading for the birds, aiming at them skinny ass bitches, let it rain. Giving them a wet welcome to the house of pain. Mr. Machiavelli moving pieces like telekinesis. It's like a chess game, let's play with real pieces. Shots rang and niggas' brains were split. Another bad boy affiliated nigga was killed. Mr. Machiavelli moving pieces like telekinesis. It's like moving pieces like telekinesis. It's like a chess game, let's play with real pieces. Shots rang and niggas' brains were split. Another bad boy affiliated nigga was killed. Mr. Machiavelli moving pieces like telekinesis. It's like a chess game, let's play with real people. The motherfucking world is a ghetto, full of magazines, full clips, and heavy metal when the smoke settles. I'm just looking for a big yellow in 6-inch stilettos, Dr. Dre. Percolating, keep them waiting while you sitting there hating. Your bitch is hyperventilating, hoping that we penetrating. You get snating, cause I never been to Satan. For hardcore administrating, gangbang affiliating. MC Winner had you wildin' off a zone and a whole half a gallon. Get to dialing 911 emergency, and you can tell him it's my son, he's hurting me, and he's a felon. All parole for robbery, ain't no copping a plea, ain't no stopping a G. I'm in the 6, you got to hop in the 3. Company monopoly, you handle shit sloppily, I drop a key properly.
Yeah, nigga. We be the ball and play ass nigga about getting riches, bitches, and plenty more. Ready for whatever. Hell yeah. What type nigga be a thug life nigga? Them thug life niggas be crazies. Run up nigga, we gon' make this motherfucker ours. If they don't feel me, they gon' kill me.
Motherfucker, my phone make sure all y'all kids don't grow. You motherfuckers can't be us or see us. We motherfucking thug life riders, west side till we die. Out here in California, nigga, we warn you, we'll bomb on you motherfuckers. We do our job. You think you mob, nigga, we the motherfucking mob. Ain't nothing but killers and real niggas, all you motherfuckers.
Follow me, tell me if you feel me. I think niggas is trying to kill me. Picture and pistols, spitting hollow ways till they drill me. Keeping it real, and even if I do conceal my criminal thoughts, preoccupied with keeping still. See niggas is false, sitting in court, turn snitches. They used to be real, but now they petrified bitches. I'm trying to be strong. They sending armies out to bomb me. Listen to Ron, the only DJ that can calm me, constantly on. My firepower keep me warm. I'm trapped in the storm, and fuck the world till I'm gone. Bitches be warm. Word is born, you'll get torn. I'm busting on Giuliani, rubbing my niggas wrong. And in this song, before I leave, picture me, I'm spitting that pump bitches and hustling to be free. Watch me set it. Niggas don't want it, you can get it. Better make these jealous niggas mad. I said it. This thug laugh, cause our staff got guns in they motherfuckers' belts. You know how it is when we drop records, they felt. You niggas can't feel it. We the realest. Fuck them. We bad boy killers.
Till I collapse, I'm spilling these raps. Long as you feel them to the day that I drop. You'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop sending them. Women are caught in webs, spinning in heart venom. Adrenaline shots, a penicillin could not get the illness to stop. Amoxicillin's just not real enough. This is a moment, and every single minute you spend trying to hold on to it, cause you may never get it again. So while you're in it, try to get as much shit as you can. And when your run is over, just admit when it's at its end. Cause I'm at the end of my wits with half the shit that gets in. I got a list, here's the order of my list that it's in. It goes Reggie, Jay-Z, Tupac, and Biggie. Andre from Outkast, Jada, Corrupt, Nas, and Vimy.
I'm hard, Jehovah said I'm barred from the pearly gates. Fuck them, I didn't want to go to heaven anyway. But my mama got me on my knees with my hands gripped, talking about some praise the Lord shit. Hail Mary, fuck her, I never knew her. I probably screw her and dump her body in the sewer. Our Father, my pop stuck up dope spots, big black and mean with the fifth by the gabardines. What you expected from his next of kin? I'm loco, bro, but ain't no Mexican. I got 9s in the bedroom, Glocks in the kitchen, a shotty by the shower if you wanna shoot me while I'm shitting.
It's a verse stars, I eat it at MC's heart. What is he thinking? I'm not to go against me, smart, and it's absurd how people hang on every word. I probably never get the props I feel I ever deserve, but I'll never be served. My spot is forever reserved. If I ever leave Earth, that would be the death of me first. Cause in my heart of hearts, I know nothing could ever be worse. That's why I'm clever when I put together every verse. My thoughts are sporadic, I act like I'm an addict. I rap smack like I'm Kim Mathers, but I don't wanna go forth and back in constant battles. The fact is I would rather sit back and bomb some rappers. So this is like a full-blown attack. I'm launching at him. The track is on some battle and raps and want some static. Cause I don't really think that the fact that I'm slim matters. A black and platinum status is whack if I'm not the baddest.
Fuck up when you get smacked the fuck up. This how we do it on our side. Any niggas from New York that wanna bring it, bring it. But we ain't singing, we bringing drama. Fuck you and your motherfucking mama. We gon' kill all you motherfuckers. Now when I came out, I told you it was just about Biggie. Then everybody had to open their mouth with a motherfucker opinion. Well, this how we gonna do this. Fuck Mobb Deep, fuck Biggie, fuck Bad Boy as a staff, record label, and as a motherfucking crew. And if you wanna be down with Bad Boy, then fuck you too. Chino XL, fuck you too. All you motherfuckers, fuck you too.
We outlaw hog dog, we run out. Now could you put your fuck 'em all, fuck 'em all, fuck 'em all.
That's how we doing this shit, you know? I wouldn't waste your motherfucking time with no bullshit, baby. Trust me, it's that real
You're
shit.
listening to a Fitzy remix.
He don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. He don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. Like a motherfucking thug disease. Like a motherfucking thug disease. Hey, he don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. He don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. Like a motherfucking thug disease. Craving beats like they motherfucking drugs to me. Hey, we screaming on to make it happen. My rapping is similar to motherfuckers when they flapping. Blast and watch them back. I'm notorious Biggie killer. Affiliation with Death Row. Niggas get their caps peeled back. Food is the West Coast. Bitch, you misdemeanor. I'm raising hell like felonies. Mr. Machiavelli straight out of jail. You selling these. Intoxicated, we duplicated but never faded. Now that we made it, my adversaries just player hating. Got a Mercedes for these chicks that thought I quit, then got a drop top jack. For these bitches that's on my dick, go to club in the back. I'm smoking bud in the back. I'm waiting for niggas to trip, cause bitch I love to scrap. Mama raised me as a thug nigga. With love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trusting these chicks. Now they all wanna sue me, so he don't know I got a mark till his ass get shot. He don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. Like a motherfucking thug disease. Like a motherfucking thug disease. Hey, he don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. He don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. Like a motherfucking thug disease. Craving beats like they motherfucking drugs to me. Hey,
if I could capture the rage of today's youth and bottle it, crush the glass with my bare hands and swallow it, and spit it back in the faces of you racists and hypocrites who think the same shit but don't say shit. You Liberace's, Versace's, and you Nazis, watch me cause you figured you got me in this hot seat. You motherfuckers wanna judge me cause you're not me. You'll never stop me, I'm top speed and you pop me. I came to save these new generations of babies, for parents who failed to raise them cause they're lazy, to grow to praise me and making them go crazy. That's how I got this whole nation to embrace me, and you fugazi if you think I'ma admit wrong. I cripple any hypocritic critic I'm sick on, and this song is for any kid who gets picked on. A sick song to retaliate to a nip.
he don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. He don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. Like a motherfucking thug disease. Like a motherfucking thug disease. Hey, he don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. He don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. Like a motherfucking thug disease. Craving beats like they motherfucking drugs to me. Hey, glad bags with enemies cut up so they remember me, soak them in Hennessy so they relatives know it's me. You can bet your last dollar I'll dick them and holler, riding these hoochies like they some heavy ass Chevy and Impala. Jump up and get your ass shot up from a profit, pick my Glock up and bustin' with such efficiency. Poppin', nobody got up, holler. Outlaw riders, mash up on the gas pedal, vacate the sink, count the cash and stash the precious metal. Here come the coppers, the SWAT team in the helicopters. Them crackers just crazy rock, cause they'll never stop us. I rock Arnold Schwarzenegger, but somebody in the movie now I wanna do it too. Ooh, niggas is too through, true to the game I claim. Outlaw riders who give a fuck what they try.
Cause I'm over behind the canyon, picture me sticking niggas where they watching chain. Kick back, little nigga, and watch the game.
So fuck him all, I got a mark till his ass get shot. He don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. Like a motherfucking thug disease. Like a motherfucking thug disease. Hey, he don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. He don't know I got a clock till his ass get shot. Like a motherfucking thug disease. Craving beats like they motherfucking drugs to me. Hey.
weighing 175 pounds, with a record of 17 rapes, 400 assaults, and 4 murders. The undisputed, most diabolical villain in the world. Let's go!